Tana. Tana, yeah. We are walking go tire.
You see me over and eating? I'm going to go away from me.
Oh my God. No.
Explore Eskimo land.
That is the share. Explore Eskimo land.
Oh, that is Eskimo honey by ice. See, look at me now, I'm in yard, that's what I'm saying.
Guys, you know the difficult part, guys? When you want go back home.
You're boss.
And you want to reach home. I can't walk home.
As I'm saying, it's not easy to walk in the snow. Like when you're stepping right when you go and there's big amount of snow.
I guess the first time who do sands, like the athletes and
When you're off to jog in the sun and stuff.
yeah, those persons will understand what it is like.
Yeah. With this thermal suit and this walk, it's someone by the other.
Right, we can't see your face.
Huh?
We can't see your face.
From Eskimo hat.
No. Go to this side, but
Eskimo hat. Keep up the summer
oh my gosh, it feels so easy to walk on.
What kind of fur this snow?
Ask me where we are going now. Ask me where we are going. Ask me.
I don't know. I don't know something. Already.
Snow and shovel.
We're up on Netflix and chill.
And then when you're ready for go out, you can't drive out.
You're ready to go out, guys. The car can't move. We're shoveling to where you're going to shovel.
No more.
You're not done yet. Go back to shovel more.
Yo.
Right? I don't see the inner roads. I'm going to be carefully until Wednesday.
Wednesday? No, babe, that's too long.
Give priority to
Tuesday. Tomorrow is holiday. Tuesday.
Tomorrow is holiday and it's a holy pass. And they give priority to the main road and the highways.
Yo, I'm going to back piece of the road. Ask where we are walking going. We don't know. We just a walk.
I couldn't tell you last time I weighed so much clothes. I'm not even heavy. Me heavy.
I say she Jesus. I say she heavy.
Heavy man. I too much clothes this. My body now is accustomed.
This is what it was.
Clothes.
Well, you know you're a battery rider, so yeah, it's more body.
I'm a very moderate and demure.
Demure. Yeah. Look at this driveway. Wow, this one is so nice. He just finished.
Just finished. Oh. So I just deal with him back. Every time you come back home, I'm going to shovel again.
No.
It's not even funny.
This is serious. You think, no, you know what? You're going on the main road, you want to turn back. We're going, let's write them a ticket.
Write them a ticket right now. Yeah, this guy, my speak. Come and just a month of clothes. Oh gosh, I'm hatching on me, I sweat them back.
That's right.
Yeah. Mama say, because it has snow, it's not so cold yet. When it's done soon and the windshield start liquid. So the overhaul at 20 times.
Oh my God. We're done.
Any boss want work, I forgot now. God,
please stop hiding. See here, hide. Where you hide?
you want the boss? So don't worry, this is me go forward and this one pull me back.
Pull your back first. I'm gonna flip it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Maybe they did have one swipe through.
Probably because the cars are driving.
They collect it and push it. Guys, that will be our investment for the next winter season. Snow blower.
Yeah. We have to get a snow blower.
We're going to invest in our one, guys.
What you
My
say?
shovel, yeah, make it put too much of your back into it.
Oh, the baby enjoying herself. Guys.
No, I just not this life. a good target today.
You want a winter lawnmower. That's a winter lawnmower.
Okay.
Continue, continue. Ratcliffe. Ratcliffe, the answer. Nobody can cross it. Only can cross it, cross it. We are walk down the road, guys. But we don't know how far we are going to make it, guys.
Come here, I need a salt to give me a traction.
You should see some salt. You should see some salt with the traction. Taya shoes need some salt. Some traction. Oh my god. Taya, your face is okay?
Yeah.
Your face is okay.
Yeah.
We talked about that in the last videos.
What?
That you have to ensure that your face is not messy. That was messy. Let's go across. Come babe, let's go across. You know. Alright.
Understand the assignment very well. And the assignment is to embarrass me in public.
No embarrassment in public.
Yeah.
Time if you go for the turn back soon. We may have to turn around.
You can't go to James.
We are trying to walk go Jane Street. Huh?
Why you have like that?
Sorry, come on the road. Go. You hold it. You hold it. You hold the camera.
Let's see, me I drag you like the Santa Claus. I will sleigh. Okay, Michael Jackson cousin. Billie Jean. Your straight jacket.
Not bad. There's a. Yeah. Your cord of stuff. How much? How much? You look on the road. Oh my god, road.
I thought that was a
Road messy. This one not so bad. That road not so bad. Guys, you know it's it's snowing. Oh my god. Come on. My anchor. Toyacrossfam is live. Toyacrossfam. What's going on the streets? You can't make it.
Not canceling, but I answer no.
Oh my god. You're gonna get help. You're gonna get help. The last time I said that, and the guy never helped me then at all. But I said, oh my god, we're going to get help now. And no help come for us. We must clean the walkway then. Yeah? Yeah, that's why I see the truck on the road. I drop sand. But yeah.
You know the salt is expensive.
I'm at that fan. Babes, I could go across the street and check. Oh, you might if that's not do the footway. No, not for us. I say Marco. Not for us.
Yes, Fuck off. That road in MJ.
Ah! Ah!
I didn't go on the film, I don't know.
Yes. What was that? Where the two clouds that come from? the two clouds that just come again. Ah!
You need got them, you know. Yeah, oh, sorry.
Yes, sir. Good night.
What you need got them? Friday there. What are you going to do?
Yeah. Down the road. Oh. Oh my God, Toya. Dinner. You finish the veggie? Yeah. Oh, see the snow truck here come, babes.
Respiration.
Oh my God. Toya, where you gonna move, God? Yes! We got rescued by the truck. Come, Toya. If anything, we just don't pull by yourself.
Yeah, come on. You might right foot, so.
Check.
Come on, tell you better.
See? Our place is being salt. That's the salt of it. It's depositing salt same time. Yeah, and at the bottom. Oh my God. No, sir. This is.
Oh, the bar.
Ah.
Oh,
Hi. Two bombs. Yeah. And get it. Toya said she's gonna need to go bomb. Guys. No. Toya. You're gonna need to retreat. Oh my God. What you want? Hey! You see the car? You see the car? Come! The car's key. This car. Where? There's no sidewalk. Oh yeah, we can't reach nowhere on that sidewalk. We can't go nowhere on that sidewalk.
yeah, let's walk through here.
Toya. Okay, let's go. Let's. But it's harder to walk inside. It's harder to walk inside here. She doesn't worry about her robe.
Yes. So guys, so you put on that when you put on your fleece robe.
Oh my.
Peace.
Peace.
You lie down on your bed or on your couch or you chill.
Yeah. Peace.
You're free. This yeah?
A lot.
Much clothes.
Hello. I gotta swim. What is? I didn't say I was gonna swim. That's not. Hold on. Yeah. You turn the right here.
Can I swim for you?
Come.
You there off that Michael Phelps? Same name? The swimmer. The American. But the Jamaica one here, Johan, Yanni or something like that. No, wine name, Yoni, Yanni, something. I think for reach back, come in, we take off the pants. Guys, in this time, we wait till they reach for the main road to make a mockery of yourself. Make sure you can't get up. Make sure you can't get up. You cross it. Oh my God, no, Jesus. Heat. I want too much clothes.
Come here, man. Come here, fish. I go cross. I turn go down. Guys, the main road is no good. Say it here, brother. Guys, this is where we're going to end it. Big up on the nice clean self as Toyacrossfam will say.
Respect.
Guys, we're going to walk back home, but trust me.
Well, I've got swim because the journey is still longer than this. I'm going to take off snow pants to go back.
Take it off, take it
I
off.
don't have too much clothes. I feel very restricted, man.
Take it off then.
And I'm starting to get cold in the
Look at the butt, man, not lie. What? Ready?
Come to Canada, they say.
Come to Canada, it is nice here.
One job opportunity, they say.
Guys, this is serious. Hold on.
This is what we're coming to.
Come, give us a report. What's going happening, Toya?
Come to Canada, they say. Leave the land of food and water, they say. Opportunity, they say. Come to Canada. Yeah?